Hi everyone, it's Val from Daisy G's, and one of the most frequent questions that we get asked at our markets and shows is whether or not our soap has nice lather. So rather than just saying yes, I thought I would give a little demo today, and I have picked out 4 soaps to show. First, I picked out a bar of the spearmint eucalyptus. It's one of our more popular soaps, and it has no additives that would give it more or less lather. So this is going to be the standard lather that you're going to get with most of our soaps. Next, I wanted to show you a bar of coconut milk soap. This is our tropical coconut soap made with coconut milk. Next, one of my favorites, the beer soap. This is our cedar and sage beer soap. And finally, I wanted to show our 100% olive oil soap. Now, this is not a soap known for its fluffy lather, but I just wanted to let you guys see the difference. So, first of all, the spearmint eucalyptus. Now, this is made with our standard blend of olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Has nice big fluffy lather. I don't know what more you could expect. It's a very nice lathering soap. So this is going to be the standard basic lather for most of our soaps. The next one up is our coconut milk soap. Also has nice lather. It's just a little bit creamier. The coconut milk makes it creamier, but it still has loads and loads of lather. Very nice soap, one of our favorites. Then on to my personal favorite for big bubbles. When people ask for a soap that gives big fluffy bubbles, it's always the beer soap that I direct them to. This is the cedar and sage, made with a nice local red ale brewed here in Arizona. So you see again, you got some nice big fluffy bubbles going on here with the beer soap. And loads of them. My hands are really going to be clean. So the final soap today is the 100% organic olive oil soap. We only use extra virgin organic olive oil, no other oils for this soap. No colorants, no scent. It's very gentle. Anybody that needs a soap for very sensitive skin, this is just a very wonderful soap to use. You can see small bubbles, not quite as much lather as the other soaps, but also a fairly decent amount of bubbles still makes you feel like you're getting clean. Really, that's all the bubbles do, is make us feel like we're getting clean. It's the soap itself that cleans. But anyway, hope this helps, hope it's informative, and I hope next time you're shopping with us, you stop and pick up a bar so you can take one home and see for yourself. Thank you very much.